You won't believe how smart your dog can be. The dogs with an IQ of 200 in this video can solve all sorts of problems around them. Or something like that. Let's explore the special abilities of these four-legged friends, and you'll see they're smarter than you might think.
Okay, hold on, ready, Elvis? Quavo, ready? Help.
With the enthusiasm of this dog, he will definitely be a valuable assistant. Just let him join the team, teach him how to use the tools, and work together to get the job done.
Go. That's it. That's it.
Put it in. Put it in. Good boy.
Because they caused the vase to break due to their mischief, the two dogs had to deal with all the consequences of their actions themselves. The dog doesn't need anyone to teach him. He instinctively knows that he needs to protect his little friend. This dog is incredibly smart. Whenever the baby cries, it presses those buttons to play the sound of the baby's mother. If you have this dog in the house, you won't need to spend extra money on a babysitter anymore, as this dog takes great care of the little friend.
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you, okay.
Even though it's pouring rain and storming heavily, the dog still runs through the rain to bring an umbrella to its owner. What a pure and beautiful love.
Bruh.
Does your dog like eavesdropping on things like this?
Bruh. Bruh.
Do you want to go to the dog park? Do you want to...
Let's go.
Just asking do you want to is enough. Let's go. If you bring your dog into the supermarket, let it pick out something it likes.
Hey, Sappy, can you tell Daddy to get me some water, please?
Mommy wants water? I'll get it in 2 minutes.
It's wonderful to have a dog like this, isn't it? This lovable friend will help us with many things in life.
I'll get it in 2 minutes.
I see those who get into the weekend.
Oh, wow, buddy. How did you manage to run all the way into the TV studio? You're really smart for finding a way to make yourself famous.
Society on the air, but Ripple just wanted to play tug of war. And she was leash.
It's great. The dog really knows how to support the family as they prepare to travel. Get yourself a relationship like this.
I think he's standing in her way because I think she jumped that corner.
Parkour. Sweet freedom.
Your life will never be boring with these two dogs. One who is grumpy and one who loves to tease. Very cleverly, the dog immediately proved his innocence.
What the dog doing?
This dog has learned how to climb trees, and every day, whether it's sunny or snowy, she diligently climbs the tree to look over at the neighbor's house. The intelligence of this dog teaches us how to be civilized.
Okay.
That's my dog, Lainey Wilson. She gets her own ice.
Without any help, this dog can still figure out a solution to its own eating needs.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this.
Huh?
You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Dogs can definitely understand what you're saying, so make sure to tell your dog you love them a lot. This dog might be invited by Travis Scott to perform with him because of its amazing singing voice. Don't focus on the result. Think about how hard this dog has tried. When the blind dog Luna accidentally fell into the family pool, Luna's friend, the dog Caipirinha, immediately ran to help. Caipirinha circled the pool and nudged Luna towards the steps, but Luna swam in the wrong direction. Nevertheless, Caipirinha didn't give up, and Luna kept trying. Eventually, Luna managed to step onto the ledge, and Caipirinha pulled her out of the water. The family said they have checked the pool to ensure that this incident does not happen again.
Oh, hey!
Exactly. In conflicts like this, running should be the top priority to avoid trouble. I think this dog needs a lawyer. Is there anyone here who can hire one for him?
Y sin dejar caer una sola gota de pintura que no sea. ¿Qué es eso?
Do you think you can cage me? I've already disappointed you.
Okay. Anyways, we're getting ready for your photo shoot today. Do you know you're ready? All right. Let me get a smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese.
If you're feeling confused about taking photos, you can learn from this adorable photography expert.
1, 2, 3, cheese.
Oh my God!
Are you ready to let your dog drive you around? It's so adorable. This dog goes to the market every morning to help its owner. Would you like a dog like this?
Wow.
Huh? Take it back!
The dog is truly smart and adorable. She did not hesitate for a second to help you out with that leash.
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
Huh?
Go! Come on, you guys, let's go! Let's go!
Oh my God!
Don't worry, this dog really enjoys doing that and feels comfortable with it.
Today's the day we tackle this mess.
I watched this video and showed it to my dog, asking if he could do the same. Unfortunately, he shook his head.
Wait. Take the box to the trash. Oh my God! What is that?
This is the first time I've seen food thieves with such a plan. They were going to take turns stealing, but unfortunately, they got caught right from the start.
You just ate an entire chicken parm! A whole chicken! Do you have any idea what you've done? It was $20!
He might not understand chicken parm, but he definitely knows that $20 is not a small amount.
Show everyone your underbite.
Bruh.
Go on.
Very clever. This dog chose its own path to avoid waiting. Very clever. This dog chose its own path to avoid waiting.
Close the door. Go close the door.
Without this video, I wouldn't have believed that dogs could be so intelligent and have such warm hearts. The husky dog didn't want anything bad to happen and did everything it could to protect its friend.
Oh, calm down, Jamal. Don't go out the line.
The family dog gave a fantastic performance with incredibly cute empathy, like a Hollywood star. The completely different expressions of the two dogs while playing the ball-fetching game. While the other dogs choose from the available sticks, this one decides to create a unique stick for himself.
Sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Axel, come here.
Instead of solving the problem, this dog decides to tackle the source of the problem.
Broccoli, apples, pears, bananas, carrots, chicken.
Talk to him. Ozzy. Ozzy.
Did you also think that the dog in the middle doesn't like ice cream?
Oh my god.
Jillian.
No, I hate it.
Boomer, Boomer. Oh my god, you
it.
freak. Oh my god, you're crazy. You're crazy.
Huh? Yeah, boy.
A very clever dog, when its grandmother said she needed firewood for the fireplace, immediately fetched the wood for her.
Yes.
Dai, glielo.
Dammelo.
Vieni.
Dammelo.
Portalo qua.
Dammelo perché me lo
Dai, glielo.
Dammelo a me.
Brava.
Perché me lo
This dog has a remarkable empathy for its owner.
Huh?
Don't try this with your dog, as they don't like losing any fur. The dog saw a bicycle race ahead and thought its owner was also racing, so it found a way to reach the finish line very quickly. The clever boy noticed that his mother could fall while standing on that chair, and he helped ensure her safety. Do you believe that dogs react very quickly to things they like? Here is an example.
Huh?
Where are you going?
He knew she was pretending. That's fantastic. The playground will be able to reopen thanks to this adorable snow removal worker.
Wally, that's not nice.
Wally was so gentle and polite, actually seemed extremely nice. No human assistance needed. This dog knows how to operate this game on its own. Grandpa struggles with climbing the stairs due to poor health, but don't worry, his loyal dog is right behind him.
Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Leo, head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears.
The owner must have put in a lot of effort to train such a well-behaved and intelligent dog.
Ava, come on.
It would be amazing if your dog helped you win a billiards game, wouldn't it? This dog thinks that his owner is in danger and he immediately wants to come to the rescue. This dog mistook someone for his mother and turned to scold his father for giving him the wrong directions.
Si Mama yan? Si Mama yan, di ba? Oh, hindi yan si Mama. Lapit ikaw dito, hindi yan si Mama. Kala mo, nagkamali ka.
These friends have been very professional at sneaking food.
Oh my God! What is that?
I shall Oh no, don't roll out. Don't roll out.
This is when you think you're getting a dog to guard the house, but in reality, your dog turns out to be incredibly friendly with strangers. This kind dog helped the lady carry her bag into the house. What a warm-hearted dog.
A Rebeca foi buscar o chinelo da vovó. Pega aí, dona. Aí ela busca o chinelinho da vovó e vem e coloca no pé da vovó.
Dozer the dog is an old pro at over-the-fence fetch with baby neighbor.
Daddy first.
Seeing his dad working hard under the hot sun, the kind dog brought a chair for him. With this special ability, the dog is truly a musical talent. It's amazing how this dog has a refined sense of music and rhythm. The dog, with its sense of protecting shared property, acted cautiously to avoid damaging the path. This reflects a quality that some people with less awareness might not achieve. Although it cannot speak, the dog has shown incredible empathy. It understands that the baby is feeling unhappy and acts to make the baby feel better.
Let's go!
He looks so serious, like, I gotta get this spin perfect. A wedding wouldn't be complete without this four-legged member. This adorable dog took part in the wedding photo shoot and was very helpful to the bride. If you know how to leverage your resources, planting trees will become more enjoyable and efficient. It's clear that this dog has a great affection for the soldiers, which is why it decided to lend them a hand. It's great to have a cute dog helping out on a mission, isn't it? This pit bull is being trained to become a reliable family protector. Having a loyal companion always by your side can make you feel safer and more confident. Tasks like these can't challenge our dog.
That is crazy.
Give me soda.
With a smart service dog like this at home, you won't need automated devices. Thanks to this dog's impressive first aid skills, its owner will surely consider rewarding it with a more substantial meal tonight. The dog saw its grandma working in the garden and brought her a bucket to help with the harvest. A smart dog knows how to solve problems on its own. The dog is quite clever in figuring out how to move what it wants to a different path. The dog not only demonstrates intelligence, but also proves that help with daily tasks can come from four-legged friends.
Where's Grandma? Where is she? Huh? Where's Grandma's grave? Is that it? That's Grandma's grave, huh? Good girl, you found her.
This 1.5-year-old dog knows exactly where Grandma is buried. Every time, she runs straight to Grandma's grave, showing the deep bond and special affection she has for her. If you agree with me that this dog deserves the title of Best Babysitter of the Year, please comment 1 below this video. The dog is truly talented to paint such beautiful pictures. I think this dog even paints better than I do. Every time this family returns from the market, the dog Gus always helps bring the groceries into the house in a cute and dedicated manner. He's not just a loyal four-legged friend, but also a valuable helper in daily tasks. Have you ever tried working out with your dog? I guarantee this experience will be a lot of fun. It's wonderful to see this dog so happy. It's clear that the dog really enjoys skiing and winter. Have you ever thrown a birthday party for your dog? They will surely enjoy it.
Good job.
Oh my God, this is one of the most adorable things I've ever seen.
Fetch me beer. Fetch me beer.
Is there anything better than having a dog that's ready to fetch a beer for you?
Down! Roll!
This dog loves working out with its mom. Did you work out today?
Great job, everybody! Great job, great job!
A potentially dangerous explosion was prevented thanks to the timely intervention of this smart dog. Not wanting to return empty-handed, this dog decided to catch a salmon for dinner. These are the first things this dog does as soon as it gets home. Dogs are very intelligent animals, and with proper training, they can easily form habits. The dog is so adorable helping the kitten up the stairs. This action not only demonstrates the dog's sensitivity and kindness, but also serves as a wonderful example of friendship and support between different species. The Golden Retriever makes backing up easier with its adorable help. You're watching two angels talking to each other. Don't forget to give a like if you enjoy this moment.
Baby.
That's your baby?
Yeah.
Dale un besito.
This is not your baby.
Okay.
This is my baby. Oh, my baby.
This dog has become a local star in its neighborhood by earning positive trust for helping large groups of school children cross the street safely. The dog typically leads the group of students and even stops to bark at waiting vehicles. It's time to say goodbye. Thank you for taking the time to watch this entire video. We hope you had relaxing and enjoyable moments. If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications when we upload new videos. See you in the next video.